I'm Kat with Ta-Da by Kat, Next Level Staging and Design, with a Living by Design health tip for you today that will help you decipher those complicated food labels and be intentional about what you put in your body. You know, living by design, after all, I have learned in my journey, is about being intentional, not only with our interior spaces, but with our thoughts, our actions, and our bodies, and what we put into our bodies. You know, it's been said that our food is the best medicine we have. Unfortunately, with our industrialization and the greed of profit within big food pharma, so much of our food is anything but nourishing. In fact, all but the exterior aisles with fruits and vegetables and nuts in our grocery stores are filled with prepared foods that are laced with chemicals, added salt, sugar, additives, preservatives, and more that are literally poisoning us and making us sick. Big food pharma knows oh so well that sugar and salt, the biggest culprits, are highly addictive. These ingredients, simply said, do zero in contributing to our health and much to pollute our bodies and create inflammation, which weakens our natural immune system. From 2021 to 2022, sugar consumption has increased over 1 million metric tons. And most of us know that diabetes is on the increase for adults and as well as for our children now. So I'm going to share with you a simple way to inform you, to help you make informed decisions at the supermarket or even with Instacart, where you can check the label before you put it into your cart. For example, this box of cereal, number 2 is sugar. That means it's mostly all sugar. And don't be bamboozled or tricked by thinking multigrain or healthy, because guess what, guys? This too is number 3 on sugar. So it's primarily sugar as well. You know, foods that have added sugar and are not listed as obvious sugars are easy to decipher, but there's so many different words for sugar that Big Pharma is masking and hiding from us. And there's over 50, I believe, are up on the screen now, but let's start with maltodextrin, sucanat, corn syrup, ethyl malto, fructose, dextrose, high fructose corn syrup, fructose in any form you want to stay away from. Anything that ends with an OSE, it's sugar, guys. You know, secondly, look for foods that have 5 or less ingredients is a very simple rule of thumb. The higher on the label means it has the highest concentration of volume. And again, don't be fooled by labels that say all natural, which is not regulated by the FDA. I'll cover that in another segment of Living by Design, but for now, number 1, read the ingredients. Number 2, try to buy items with 5 or less ingredients. And number 3, replace processed sugars with fresh fruit. And if you're like me and you get a sweet tooth now and again, by creating sugar-free desserts with natural sugar replacements such as stevia. There's tons of recipes out there, especially with keto being so popular right now. You'll be glad you did, and your body will certainly thank you.